Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Take a moment to get comfortable, whether you're sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat, do that again. Deep breath in through your nose and slow exhale through your mouth. One more time, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let it all go. Allow yourself to just return to your natural breath. There is nothing you need to do right now, nowhere you need to go. This is your moment for you. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you might be holding any tension. Your shoulders, your chest, your stomach. No need to change anything. No need to judge. Just notice. And with your next exhale, I want you to begin to soften these areas. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your body to begin to relax. Now gently bring your awareness inward. What have you been carrying today? Maybe it's stress, maybe it's pressure, maybe it's something someone said, or something you've been holding on to for a long time. You don't have to name it perfectly, just feel it. Sit with it in this moment and notice where you feel it in your body. Now imagine your breath moving into that space. As you inhale, bring awareness and soften. And as you exhale, allow yourself to release. Let's take a few breaths together. Deep breath in and exhale. Let it go. Again, deep breath in and exhale. Release. With every exhale, imagine that the weight is beginning to lift, like it's gently leaving your body. Now imagine whatever you're holding as something you can place outside of you. Maybe it's a heavy object, a tight knot, or a cloud of energy. And with your next exhale, gently set it down. You don't have to carry it anymore. Watch it drift away. Watch it dissolve or simply rest outside of you. You are allowed to let go. Silently repeat to yourself, I release what I no longer need. I let go of what I cannot control. I choose peace. Feel that settle into your body. Allow yourself to feel every word you silently say to you. I release what I no longer need. I let go of what I cannot control. I choose peace. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice how your body feels now. A little lighter, a little softer, a little more at ease. Let that feeling expand. Deep breath in and let your breath go. Feeling lighter, softer, and more at ease with each breath you take. Big breath in and let it go. You don't have to carry everything. You are allowed to release. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to begin again. Take one more breath. Deep breath in. And gently exhale. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You are powerful. You did something very powerful just now. Enjoy the rest of your day.